Hi, today we are going to be reading words that have the oo sound with the letters O-O. Just like in this word, moon. Moon is spelled M-O-O-N. The sounds in the word moon are oo, There are other letter combinations that say oo. E-W says oo. U-E says oo. O-U says oo. U also says oo. And U consonant, E, would also say oo. So we are going to mostly be focusing on the O-O, saying oo. And last week, if you remember, the words that had O-O in the middle said like the word book. Let's quickly do a warm-up, changing the middle sound in words to make a new word. Listen to me the first time. I will change A in fade to oo. The new word becomes food. Watch me. Aid, fade, becomes ood, food. Now you try this one by pausing the video. Change the A in pale to oo. What is the new word? Yes, pool. Change the A in scale to oo. What is the new word? Yes, school. Change the I in brim to oo. What is the new word? Yes, broom. Now, let's decode and blend, and we also say stretch inside. This word up here, using the oo sound for O-O. B-oo-oo, bloom. You can also read this as a consonant blend, bloom. Let's go ahead and read row 1. Row 1, we are in row 2 and row 3, we are actually going to sound out all the letters and then read it the fast way afterwards. So if you can read it the fast way and you just want to pause and try to read it and then unpause, press play again, then you may check yourself. But this also helps our friends who are still learning how to sound out some words. Ooh, ooh, cool. Sk, oop, scoop. Or you can say sk, oop, scoop. Gr, oop, group. Thr, ooh, through. And ooh, new. Let's read it the fast way. Cool, scoop, group, through, new. Row 2. And if that was really hard for you, just pause the video, practice, and then press play again. And the more you practice, the better you'll become at reading these words. Now, this is a tricky one because last week we read this word, and the O-O in this word is And the only reason we know that is because brook is not a real word. Brook, brook. Burn. Good, good. Again, good, good. Good is not a word. Good is a word. Good would be a nonsense word. Y-O-U, you. E-oo, you. School, school. Art, cart. There was a review from a couple of weeks ago. A-R says R, like a pirate. Let's read these the fast way. Brook, burn, good, you, school, cart. Row 3. Ch, or, chore. Dr, oo, drew. K, or, corn. Br, oo, broom. P, oo, pool. And then here's a compound word. Inside. Inside. Let's do this the fast way. Chore, drew, corn, broom, pool, inside. Here is a sentence for fluency, and you will notice this is a sight word. The word is the. Let's sound this word out, or this H word out. Then read the sentence the fast way. You might want to pause the video to see if you can read this sentence the fast way, which is called fluency. Okay? The crew will stay cool on the new boat. That was choppy, but it was good practice. Let's read with fluency. The crew will stay cool on the new boat. If that was challenging for you, again, pause the video, practice, and don't forget to watch my next video where we will put this to good practice by reading a decodable book, just like we do in school every day.